Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Joseph from NALO Solutions. In our previous video, we looked at how to send group SMSs. In this video, we are going to look at how to check scheduled messages on the NALO Solutions portal. To check scheduled messages on the NALO Solutions portal, you have to visit the job management portion of the NALO Solutions page. Let's dive into it. Visit app.nalosolutions.com. Log in with your username and password. On the dashboard, visit Job Management. At Job Management, you see all messages that you've saved on the NALO Solutions portal. That's all for today, guys. If you have any comments or queries, you can shoot them down to me at the comment section or write me an email at jaeduku@nalosolutions.com. Thank you. Bye.